Ciao, I'm Chicca from Tuscany and I'm going to show you what you need to prep for our gnocchi class. For the dough, you need flour, water, parmigiano, butter, salt and pepper. Here we have some tools to shape the gnocchi. The classic ones like the gnocchi board and the fork, but you can be creative and use a shell, a mallet, a cutter and everything. And here we have all the ingredients to make our tasty sauce. Sweet peas, bacon or pancetta, leek or onions, and the cheese to add later when the gnocchi are ready. We have also all our pots and pans. We have a small skillet to crispy the bacon, a small pot to prepare the gnocchi dough, a saucepan to prepare our sauce, and a big pot to boil the gnocchi. In the pot with the water, we're gonna add coarse sea salt. See you soon on Zoom!